friends.
Hello. Welcome back to our life.
No, listen. The 2020 vision.
Welcome back to the 2020 vision problem.
We want to keep it real so that we can also show the really cool things that God does, but also the sucky things.
All right, so right now what we're doing is crying internally. So what we are going to do to fix that is we are writing down all of the things that have gone wrong, but also the good things that have come from it, because Jesus was like, sure, I have out. Numero uno. We got hacked after we had finished our entire route every single day.
My school Gmail got hacked.
Yep.
How does that happen?
We had to redo the route because like they were sending like weird emails and stuff too. So we were like, dang, they're gonna know exactly where we're gonna be every single day of 2020.
I just gotta access their servers.
So we were like thinking about changing our route, but we weren't sure what we wanted to do. Good thing that came out of the first one was we changed all of our passwords and we were much more secure, but also it led us to the second one. But yeah. Then, problem numero dos. So, Florida doesn't work out. Basically, both this, like, being hacked and then, like, other things, we just didn't feel right about Florida. And we were all, like, super anxious. Like, we prayed about it. Okay, what are we anxious about? Are we anxious about the trip? Not really. Are we anxious about starting in Florida? Kind. And so, like, we prayed about it, decided on Dallas, and then a couple days later, we ended up getting a ride straight from Minneapolis to Dallas for free. Like, my mom's friend Sue is amazing. Next thing that didn't work out, we didn't find our boys or van. What was the positive side of that?
I mean, we didn't have room in Karen.
Also, do you see how cool it is, like, that we get to say that we started the project, and like, even though we started it out, though we didn't have what we needed, we were like fine with it because God was in it. So I think that speaks a lot.
I love the Mayuka treats, Dave.
What was the one that you said? Oh, we didn't leave on time.
Yep.
We got a free ride.
And we met Steven.
Yep.
Like, if we had started anywhere else, we would not have met Steven. Literally.
Shout out to Jesus and Steven and Highwater Steve, which are the same person, but listen, we got a free ride and we met Steven and had like the best day ever. Okay,
I love the setup. She looks like she's levitating.
We didn't leave on time. Then we got to Albuquerque. What was the problem in Albuquerque?
What wasn't the problem in Albuquerque?
Albuquerque
Can I
was
just
a
write
rough
Albuquerque
time.
is the problem?
Yeah, Albuquerque was.
New Mexico.
New Mexico as a whole was the problem. Hauling our luggage through snow.
Oh God.
Running from people that kept asking us to have lunch with them when we were downtown. And the guy was like, hey, you want to have lunch with me? And we were like, bro.
The smell of the yeast.
Spending a lot of money on hotels.
Oh, the wrong hotel.
What was the good thing that
Listen,
came
I
from?
loved Karen.
What good thing came from New Mexico?
We interviewed Dawn. We got to meet Becca. That was fun.
Weird, but
And
it was fun.
honestly, like, in that time, we like saw how much we could go through.
I think it taught us a lot about just going with the flow. When it comes to like plans and like having a place to stay and like getting from point A to point B, like I like those things to be super planned out. Mm-hmm. So this is like, for me, that was a test. Now I'm just like,
There's an Oreo hot cocoa blizzard.
No, we're poor.
we have to go to native camper vans and give them the best pitch that they have ever heard in their entire lives.
Listen, we're gonna be fueled by so much more now. Okay, so New Mexico, we had to walk in the snow. We had all of the Uber issues, these hotels, and sleeping arrangements.
So it was really cute. The rail yard was
Okay, the rail yard
Mandy
in
got
Santa
snow
Fe.
boots.
Yeah, I got snow boots. That don't really do a good job.
We ended up going to Santa Fe at that time, and then we perfectly timed it to go to the Grand Canyon.
Remember when we sat in that Starbucks for 9 hours?
Yes. After, like, we got to Flagstaff. Was there any issues in Flagstaff?
We
had
got
to
there at
walk to-
10:30. That's where we went to the wrong hotel.
No, yes.
We were at the train station at 10:30 p.m. There were drunk people all around us.
For the wrong hotel, we had a hotel, but then when we tried to go,
The Uber was $40.
the Uber was $40
$1
bucks. So then we had to
million.
book a different hotel, and then the other hotel still charged us. And then
Okay, but what did we learn from it?
We woke up the next
Cracker
morning and
Barrels
there
are
were
pretty dope.
mountains.
We woke up the next morning, there were mountains.
Remember when we had to take a separate route because there were people doing drugs on the sidewalk to church? Write down that I lost my hat.
Oh, she left her hat in the pastor's wife's car.
Beautiful place. Skater boy hat.
We were into the car.
After we walked 20 minutes.
To the
I
car
literally
rental
almost blacked out.
with all of our, so you did almost fuck out.
As we walked 20 minutes
Through snow and ice.
through snow and ice.
Not as much as Santa Fe, but it was icy.
It was.
It was
You
icy.
remember?
Yeah, it was
Because
icy.
we were slipping a little bit. Remember when I was like really concerned because I wanted to do the van tour?
Yeah.
Okay, Phoenix long stay. Sponsored. And met Talia. Hey, if we bring the van back to Phoenix, we can see them again.
We love Sean and Talia and Brian and Trinity and everyone else at Pure Heart. Just shout out to you guys because you guys are the best and we love you so much. And thanks for everything.
Oh, well, the weight on the van. What came out of that?
Patience.
Patience, but also the time.
It kind of gave us time to like get our
Yeah.
crap together, even though we haven't gotten our crap together.
Okay, what did we learn from Almost Went Home?
Not to be such weenies.
Almost Went Home, not to be weenies. And to think through things, I think.
Yeah.
As if
Even
the whole
though we
Albuquerque
didn't
thing.
really do that.
We sure didn't.
I mean, we did though. Like, we asked.
I don't know. Now looking back,
Okay.
I feel like there were so many red flags that we just missed.
Yeah.
You know, like trust way too quickly, not verifying on our own. We did our research, but we didn't do enough. Like, taking way too long for the repairs.
Yeah.
All the lights turned on as soon as we hit the highway.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like it's just there's so many things, and we prayed for God to allow this to go smoothly, and it didn't. The license plate.
We
like,
spent $100
every-
on the license plate.
that we didn't see.
Sleep in van. I did Trust God's Protection, and it also led us to getting the Planet Fitness.
Just put down the date and we'll refer to it as D-Day from now on.
I think what we're learning from this is that we do need to rely on God for everything.
Yeah.
Because I think we got a little cocky. Not cocky, I don't think that's the right word, but
I
like
think we just got
self.
self-reliant.
Exactly.
We got
We're gonna pray about what to do.
ordered the
We named our
parts.
car after him. Enough said.
All right, guys. That's it. It's good to look back and see all the good things that happened, but it's also like, okay, we're in the middle of a struggle right now, and it's gonna be really hard.
I think we're gonna take some time to pray about what we should do next, and kind of figure out how today is gonna play out. Because we're not gonna make it to Palm Springs today. We know that for sure. All the prayers
We're gonna be
get.
praying up the wazoo. So,
Why, oh, bro?
why, old bruh?
Why,
Oh.
That's
All
it.
right.
Why, oh?
Ciao.
All right.